Hey everybody, it's Lesson 65 with Connecting Math Concepts Level E. Today we're going to go over fluency, angles, three-factor multiplication, and word problems. So let's go ahead and get started. Fluency is pretty straightforward. It's just going to be 5 quick questions. It's an easy way to boost your grade, so here we go. 4 times 7, pick your answer now. 4 times 7 is 28. 21 divided by 7, pick your answer now. 21 divided by 7 is 3. 9 divided by 9, pick your answer now. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 9 times 7, pick your answer now. 9 times 7 is 63. Angles, all right, just a reminder, angles are formed by 2 lines. They're measured in degrees, and angles are between 0 degrees and 360 degrees. Each fourth of a circle equals 90 degrees. So we have 1/4 is 90, 2/4 is 180, 3/4 of a circle is 270, and a whole circle is 360. Really quickly going to draw examples for you. So 1/4 of a circle looks like this, right? It's a quarter of a circle. 1/2 of a circle looks like this, right? That's 180. This one looks the same as 90, but is actually the outside of the circle. So you have 1, 2, 3, and then a whole circle from Connecting Math Concepts looks like that. You took this line and go all the way around to make exactly 360 degrees. All right, next up, we have a couple ones, so let's go ahead. Oops, sorry. All right, how many degrees is this? Pick your answer now. That's right, it is 90 degrees. Next one, how many is this? That's right, it's 180 degrees. How many degrees is this angle? Pick your answer now. That's right, it's 270 degrees. And how many angles is this? Pick your answer now. That's right, it's 360 degrees. How many degrees is this? Pick your answer now. That's right, it's 270 degrees. How many degrees is this? It's 180 degrees. How many degrees is this? Pick your answer now. It's 90 degrees. Just so you know, I did a little trick. 90, 180, 270, 360, 180, 270, 90, 180, 90, just as a little pattern for you to see if you could catch, all right? Next up, we have some three-factor multiplication. Now we're not just multiplying whole numbers, we're going to multiply fractions, and it seems hard until you just remember that it's the same thing that we've already done. You're just doing it for the tops and the bottoms, okay? Sometimes you need to multiply 3 fractions by each other, like 2/9 times 5/7 times 6 wholes, right? It's not hard. You just take it step by step. First, 2 times 5 times 6. Well, 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 6 is 60. Great. So our top number is going to be 60. Then we're multiplying the bottom. 9 times 7 times 1. All right, 9 times 7 is 63. Times 1 is, again, 63. So remember, you're just multiplying the top, multiplying the bottom, and then you go ahead and take it from there. Let's try this one. What is 1/3 times 2/3 times 9/4? So for the first one, we're just going to take it step by step. First up, what is 1 times 2 times 9? Pick your answer now. That's right, it's 18. Next up, we're going to pick our 3 times 3 times 4. Pick your answer now. All right, 3 times 3 is 9, times 4 is 36. So when we take a look at this, our answer will be 18 over 36. If you got that right, good job. Give yourself a pat on the back. I'm really proud of you. Next up, question 2. 10 over 3 times 2 over 7 times 4 over 1. Go ahead and pick your answer now. All right, we're just going to do it together. Sorry. 10 times 2 times 4. Well, 10 times 2 is 20, times 4 is 80, and 3 times 7 times 1, 3 times 7 is 21. So our answer is going to be 80 over 21. Hope you got that right. Next up, here we go. 7/4 times 1/2 times 2/10. All right, we're going to break it up into parts. And go ahead and pick your answer now. All right, 7 times 1 is 7, times 2 is 14. Great. And then the bottom, 4 times 2 is 8, times 10 is 80. So our answer then is going to be 14 over 80, right? And that's pretty straightforward. So as we go forward, we're just going to have a couple of these just to keep those skills sharp. Remember, it's just a matter of multiplying the top, multiplying the bottom, and seeing what you get, all right? Next up, we have two word problems. First one, we're going to break into parts. Second one, you're going to try it all by yourself. Here we go. A scooter costs $550. A car costs 5 times as much. How much was the car? So again, a scooter costs $550. A car costs 5 times as much. How much was the car? Well, what kind of problem is this? This is what kind of problem? Is this addition or multiplication? It is a, choose your answer now. That's right, it is a multiplication problem. So we're going to do our multiplication word family. That is not good, so let me try it one more time. Okay, all right. Now we have our times number. What's our times number? Choose your answer now. Our times number was 5, that's right. And then what costs more, the scooter or the car? Which costs more, the scooter or the car? Pick your answer now. That's right, the car costs more and the scooter costs less. All right, so we are going to go ahead and, do we know how much the car costs or the scooter costs? Pick your answer now. We know how much the scooter costs. The scooter costs $550. Now, in a multiplication problem, right, we're going to multiply these two numbers. So I'm going to set that up for you right there. It's not a many zoos, many animals because you only have one digit. So go ahead and work it. Choose your answer now. Great. And then your answer is 5 times 0 is 5, 5 times 5 is 25, and then 5 times 5 again is 25, plus 2 is 26, 27. So our answer then is 2,750. 2,750 what? $2,750. All right, last one. Here we go. There were people on a train. 76 of those people got off of the train. 125 people were still on the train. How many of people were on the train to start with? All right, go ahead and pick your answer now. All right, and I'm gonna walk you through how you get that answer. Here we go, right? This is a starting ending problem, which means it's an addition family, right? Did people get on the train or get off the train? People got off the train. So that means it started with more and ended with less, okay? Now we don't know how many people it started with. That's what the question says. So we have to take a look. Oh, 76 of those people got off the train. So that's our change number, right? And then 125 people were still on the train. That's our number right there. And then we are going to add or subtract. Well, we're missing a big, so we have to add 125 plus 76. 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 7 is 10. Put your 0 there. Put your 1 there. And then our answer is 201. All right, 201 what? 201 people. 201 people were on the train to start with. All right, no meme or anything like that today. Just hope everybody's having a great Monday. Make sure to let me know or Mr. Hammond know if you guys have any questions. Take care of yourselves. Be good to yourselves. Be good to your families. All right, peace.